Number 1.
Travelpro Platinum Elite Spinner Wheel Luggage.
Number 2.
VenturePal Lightweight Travel Packable.
Number 3.
Weewooday Luggage Tags Business Card Holder.
Number 4.
Veken 6-set packing cubes.
The Veken 6-piece travel organizer set comes with 4 differently sized packing cubes: extra large, large, medium, and small, a laundry bag, and a shoe bag. These packing cubes help organize clothes to prevent movement and wrinkles, saving you space and time. The different sizes make these great for all kinds of suitcases. The sturdy nylon fabric is thick and durable, allowing you to use these multiple times without tearing. They are made with high-quality double zippers that glide smoothly. There is also a soft, waterproof viewing window for your convenience, helping you to easily classify and condense your clothes and keep them from getting lost. Ideal for family holidays, business trips, outdoor camping, and daily storage. They make security checks at the airport quick and convenient.
Number 5.
Riemot travel luggage cup holder.
Number 6.
Venture Forth travel neck wallet.
Number 7.
BAGSMART Toiletry travel bag.
The last one bonus item.
Etekcity luggage scale.
When you travel, you want everything to run as smoothly as possible. Etekcity's luggage scale is here to help that happen. Simply place the belt around your luggage handle and lift to read its weight on the LCD display, saving you money from unexpected overweight charges at the airport. The scale can weigh up to 110 pounds with an accurate 1.6 ounce graduation, and will hold your measurement on the display for 2 minutes, so that you have ample time to view it. Use temperature mode to ensure your luggage never goes through extreme temperatures, protecting even the most special souvenirs. For international travelers, take out the guesswork by easily converting measurements. When you're done, the scale will automatically turn off after 2 minutes. The scale is small enough to fit in your luggage, bag, or even in your pocket. Now available in multiple colors.
Thanks
The
for
luggage
watching.
scale is
Have
as
a good day.
stylish as it is convenient, so you can have it handy whenever you need it.